Hey, it's Beardo back again from White Rock Dodge at Epic Adventure Outfitters, and we're doing a few more things on Poseidon before it gets sent off to the customer. And today Landon is working on the Teraflex Delta brake system, which is big, beefy 4-piston brakes from Teraflex that do increase your stopping power quite a bit. So let's go check in with Landon. Good day, sir.
Hello, sir.
How are you?
Good. Look at these bad boys. 4 pistons of braking goodness.
Sweet. That's the old one there. Just two little pistons.
Yeah. So we've got a 2-piston caliper that we're getting rid of, and these are a stock Rubicon, and I believe Sahara as well come with a 13-inch rotor.
Mm-hmm.
We're stepping it up to a 14-inch slotted rotor.
Holy.
With better cooling, so this thing will stop on a dime.
Awesome.
So let's rip this sucker apart.
Are those bigger pads too?
Yeah, so those are I believe, Toyota Tundra pad.
Oh,
so
right.
they'll be around for forever. There's nothing proprietary here other than the caliper itself. So pretty cool.
Right on.
caliper, master cylinder, ABS, proportioning valve. You got to do some bleeding. Someone's got to bleed.
As long as it's not landing.
I don't bleed.
It doesn't bleed. You're just gonna do that 3 more times?
2 more times in the rear, that's right.
Okay, 2 more times, that's right.
Ready to go.
Amazing. Those look awesome.
They're good. I think the customer will be really happy with them.
I know I would be. Should get a set for Fluffy for sure.
Sure.
Okay, so there you have it. He's going to put on the rear brakes, which is the exact same process once again. He's going to bleed them, which is kind of boring. But that is Poseidon's new Delta brake system from Teraflex. So, yeah, we're getting pretty close to getting this truck done and have a big reveal for it. Stay tuned for that. Here to White Rock Dodge. Bye.